Alright, what's up guys? Today is the day that we start working on the G37. It needs quite a bit of work, maintenance, mods, nitrous, all sorts of stuff. So we got started a little bit yesterday, trying to get these cool new skirts on. We did drill them out, hit them with the riv nut, so we'll be getting those mounted up here very shortly. My angle kit is pretty big, so it hits this fender and it was bending the fender and killing the alignment of the fender. So we are going to do a fender mod on this, similar to what I've done on my 350Z. Talking about the 350Z, we got a lead yesterday on what we need to do to fix this boost issue. So we're going to get this thing going here very soon. Gave me some motivation to get her done, so we'll do some stuff to the G37. Start getting this thing a little bit more ready for drift season. Gotta do a lot of maintenance stuff up front, but overall just need to get to work on it, that's all. I did pick up this thing this week, which is pretty cool. Did not think I'd be on the IS350, but it runs, drives great, got a decent deal on it. It's been a fun car to drive, so that's just gonna be a daily. We won't do any build series on that yet.
It's Brittany, bitch.
But yeah, let's jump into getting this G37 ripped into and getting this thing going. So I guess this is basically the intro of the G37 drift car build. My main goal with this thing is to function, but also have some style with it. I don't like keeping my car stock. I love cutting them up, making them look different and cool. I've already built this splitter, 350Z splitter, and I made the canards. I'm actually going to go to take all that off and go to an actual bumper lip to start the season. That'll go well with these skirts. I made this diffuser a while ago, hit a wall, tapped a wall I guess, and lost most of it, but it still looks sweet. But we are going to go with a bumper setup and stock trunk lid and run like a drag wing style that I'm also making for this thing. I guess we can go over the exhaust. I did a custom center set exhaust. It sounds amazing. I'm gonna do Sparco seats and a hydro in this thing. It's about time to hit it with the hydro game. I've been running that stock handbrake for 2 seasons now. Up front, we are gonna do some maintenance, change out some fans, water pump, power steering pump. We're going to pull this plenum off and try and clean up some casting marks. We're going to tune this thing. We're going to put it on 100 shot nitrous, and we are going to see what kind of power we can make out of this year. So I'm going to change quite a bit of the car, but I think it'll be for the best. So we'll be jumping into all of this here in the next few weeks. I do need to get my big angle kit on as well. I'm on stock arms, just a bolt-on kit right now. So we'll get the big angle kit back on, looking hot boy again. Keep you guys going, keep you guys updated on how it's going, because this thing is sweet. I do love this car and it has done me really well. So drift season 2023 is coming soon, so we got work to do. So let's do it to it. All right, we got the skirt officially mounted, looks spicy. Oh yeah. Before I cut this fender, I'm going to get the whole front end apart. So let's do this. What are you videoing? The cat. Oh wow. I gotta do a vlog real quick. Hey guys, Harry Carey here. So right now we're not really doing a whole lot to the car other than a little bit of maintenance stuff. Nothing that cool, so I didn't figure it'd be worth videoing. Wanted to show you at the last drift event I blew apart this axle. We got grease everywhere. It's gonna be fun to loosen this. It's gonna be wonderful. Might have to have someone hit the brakes, but yeah, it is a crusty fellow. But yeah, getting this broken axle out hopefully is not too hard. Just holding it up here is gonna be the hard part. So we're gonna get to work on this. Not really do any video because it's gonna be boring, but we'll get to cutting up the car and making it cool here soon. So let's do it. All right. So we got this skirt mounted up. Get the light. So looks pretty good. Next on the list is going to be pulling off my diffuser so we can fit a bumper, and then we're really looking at this fender. I'm about ready to cut up the quarters on the other car and install them on here. So I'm getting pretty excited about that. We'll probably cut these fenders though on the other side first, like so, and then I can go make the template to actually bolt them in and make it official. So about to do some cuts. Flag.
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's do a time lapse cutting this thing up because that's always cool.
She may contain the urge to run away, but hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blocks. Cetirizine, your fevers greet me again. Never kisses, or do you ever send a full stop? Do you know where the wild things go? They go along to take your honey. Way down how we build our breakfast down and say my love, la la la. Muscle to muscle, to toe to toe. The fear is grip me, but here I go. My heart sings as I jump up. Your angry time that my is shining up. Do you know where the wild things go? They go on undertake your honey. Bring down our sleep, build a breakfast, now let's eat my love, love, love. She bruises calls, she's blooded pistol shows. Hold her down with soggy clothes and breeze blows. She's morphine, queen of my vaccine, my love, my
All right, as you can see, all seem to go well. A little more smoothing up to do up there, but it'll sit something like this. Just trying to clean up all these edges. It's better to do it right and clean everything up the first time than be working on the car later and cut yourself open. So it is going pretty well. I'm gonna get this tape off though, so we can kind of see how much more we need to clean up. It's not playing very nice. Alright. Few nicks from getting a little rowdy, but you know. Didn't know if I was going to be able to save the wrap anyways, so wasn't super concerned. overall it looks pretty good. Again, we're not doing this just for looks, we're doing it for clearance issues. I had an issue with my big angle kit getting into my fenders. It was bending my fenders, making things unpleasant. So we're gonna go ahead and smooth this out a little bit more. We'll start kind of jigging up what we need to make to mount all this up tight. Yeah, let's do it to it. All right, got it all cleaned up. I think it looks awesome, but I've got it set up so you can actually kind of see what it's going to look like. So see, like so. From the front, we sucked in a little bit. The top will be sucked in about a ½ inch more than what it is. But yeah, just the bottom's about perfect though. Top will be sucked in a little bit more. It's not 100% straight. Probably clean this up right here a little bit to straighten that out, but kept getting hit with the sparks and it was just making me jump. So yeah, I'm gonna try and clean up this ledge a little bit right here. And we are going to have to probably cut into the skirt and this right here as well. But it's all in the fun of it. So we'll get these front fenders done, get some mounts in the works so we can hook it up. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but this is the old Z. It's kind of covered up, but you can see how the mounts mount in, like so. Gives it that factory, but also wide body look, but it's actually no wider than stock. So tricky, huh? So yeah, well, it's a little bit more cleaning up, and then we'll make the templates, trace them in, put them on the CNC router, and bend them at 90s to mount them up, and we'll be good to go. So let's do the deed. Yo, you're here with what? All right, so we are going to get these mounts for the fender cut mounted up. So we'll go through, see where we need to go, mark it, drill it, mount it, just like that. So let's do the deed.
My vaccine, my love, my love, love, love. My soul and muscle and toe to toe. The fear is gripping me, but here I go. My heart sings as I jump out. Your anger turned as my shouting soggy clothes and breeze blocks. Germaline, disinfect the scene, my love, love, love. But please don't go. I love you so, my lovely. Please don't go, please don't go. I love you so, I love you so.
Perfect. As you can see, the bottom one went pretty well. Nice and stout. Now we're getting this one bolted up. Oh, I need no more nut bolts. You're good.
Alright, AP. I see you've done some cutting on your fenders, correct?
As you can see in the videos we just posted, we did the cuts on here. We drilled the holes, and then we made these aluminum pieces that we bent at a 90 and filled in these areas and really tightened up all of this. Made this fender cut look mint. So we got this nice red anodized hardware. It's looking really good. It's going to be perfect for big angle. Won't have to worry about hitting fenders or anything. So just wanted to go over how it actually ended up looking after we got all this together, and it looks sweet. So
super sweet.
Got some other things going on, but we can't really show you yet. We'll have to let you get to episode 2 for that.